Guys, when installing vinyl windows, first thing you want to do, you want to make sure you have some galvanized, not that cap nail, but you want to have galvanized roofing nails. And we're going to use this right here. These windows right here have a flange. Actually, this is a brick mold window, so it has a flange. And so you want to use those galvanized nails to run a nail in each one of those holes in the flange, okay? So that's the first thing you want to do. By the way, don't make lumber ladders, man. There's a way to make these right here. You had to have cleats on them. But that's what you want to do. Now notice that if I get up here to the top, notice how I cut this right here. I cut this right here straight. This house wrap, I cut that straight across. I gave me a little gap here. That's gonna come into play in just a minute. And the rest of it, you're gonna fold it in. Fold that in and fold the bottom in. And so you wanna do that first, okay? Next step is gonna get you some of this window flashing tape. It's about 6 inches wide. Looks like it reflects the sunlight. I already cut these right here in the right sizes, but you're always gonna start with the bottom. Start with the bottom one. We're gonna run the two sides. Then we're gonna go with the top. Then we're gonna go with the top. And this is gonna create a shingle effect. You guys will see the whole shingle effect once I get it all done, but it's gonna create a shingle effect so that when water runs down, it's gonna go straight down. It's not gonna penetrate the window. If the window flashing stays secure to the house wrap. Now the house wrap, guys, is gonna be semi-permeable. So it allows moisture from the inside of the house to wick through the OSB. Wicks through, it comes through this right here, through this layer, but it can't go back the other way, guys. So it can't go back the other way, so it beads up here and it rolls down. So that's why we're creating that shingle effect here. All right, notice how this last piece, this is why we fold this up. It's gonna roll up on, that's why I cut it at a diagonal. So it's gonna go up here like that, okay? That's how that last piece is gonna go in. Well, the side pieces. All right, guys, see the purpose of that overlap. So we're gonna run this other piece across, and then we're gonna take this piece and fold it on top. So that water that comes out, it's gonna overlap. It's gonna shingle effect, overlap. That way water don't penetrate the cracks. And we're gonna see how we finish this right here off in a few minutes. So we're gonna make sure we cover the flange up with this house wrap here. I'm sorry, with the flash. When all said and done, it's gonna look like this here. Notice that the house wrap is overlapping that, overlap the flash. So any water that comes out, or any water that comes on this right here side, it's gonna run around this window. You got the shingle effect right here. It's gonna run straight down and done, guys. So you see how we got it right here? If you kind of get up here, you see how we got the house wrap done right here. We're creating the shingle effect going all the way straight down. Flashing looks really good. Shingle effect all the way down. And we should be good. Water should run around here. Water should run around this right here whole thing. So it works out really good, guys. That's how you want a window to look. A vinyl window with flanges on it. The metal windows are what you call the metal windows that's encased. I'm having a brain fog right now. I can't remember that window. Aluminum clad windows. So you want to do them with a flange on them. You do them the same way. All right.